The Apple Watch completely changed wearable technology as we know it. Sure, there were smartwatches before the Apple Watch, but none were as impactful, influential, and well implemented. While reports have suggested the Apple Watch Series 7 is facing production issues, Apple is reportedly still planning to announce the new device alongside the iPhone 13. But before starting the video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. The Apple Watch is already an incredibly functional smartwatch, and it takes years for the device to slow down and not be able to handle new software updates. Like in previous years, the Apple Watch will likely get a spec bump that makes it even more capable and able to keep up with watchOS 8 and other related features from Apple. The tech giant Apple has increased the size of its new smartwatch models, Apple Watch Series 7, to maximize the things a user can see on the screen at once. The Apple Watch Series 7 is expected to be introduced by the end of September. According to Nikkei Asia, the next Apple Watch will have a serious health monitoring upgrade. This is interesting as only a few days ago, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman specifically excluded this, saying there would be no new health features this year. Nikkei, however, claims that a great new feature will land with the new watch, blood pressure monitoring. The Apple Watch Series 7 is expected to feature a new flat edge design and be available in 41mm and 45mm sizes. Bloomberg has previously reported that this means the Apple Watch Series 7 will come with new exclusive watch faces. We aren't expecting any new health sensors this year, though with Apple instead focusing on the new design and larger displays, Apple brings a redesign to its mobile devices every 3 years, and this is the year for the Apple Watch. Rumors indicate that the device will get a flat edge design that brings it more in line with the iPhone, higher-end iPad, and iMac. This has been corroborated by serial leaker Jon Prosser. Prosser claims to have seen renders of the upcoming device and has created his own images based on those renders. Prosser also says that the device will come in a series of colors and that there may be smaller bezels around the display than previous generation Apple Watches. The Apple Watch Series 7 will feature a faster processor and a redesigned case with flatter edges. The new screen is designed with a new lamination technique that brings the display closer to the cover glass. Some rumors, like a report from DigiTimes, suggest that the new S7 chip will support a new double-sided system in package or SiP, which could give the device a serious battery life boost. This has been corroborated by another report from Economic Daily News, which notes that the chip will be smaller. Other reports, like one from Economic Daily News, note that Apple may be focusing wholeheartedly on Apple Watch battery life. In fact, the company may save new health sensor for the Apple Watch Series 8. The company aims to release a new low-end Apple Watch SE, a rugged model geared towards extreme sports users, and an update to the flagship model. It's also planning to add a body temperature sensor as early as next year's model, Bloomberg News has reported. Apple updates the processor in Apple Watch each year, and the Series 7 will be no exception. The Apple Watch Series 7 is rumored to include a smaller S7 chip that uses double-sided technology for module miniaturization. A smaller S7 chip will allow more room for other components, and one source suggests Apple will use this extra space for a bigger battery or new health sensors. Apple is also expected to introduce improved wireless connectivity and an improved U1 ultra-wideband chip. When it comes to pricing, the device will probably be a similar price as previous generation models. In other words, it will start at around $399 for the entry-level 40mm model or $429 for the 44mm model. The device is expected to be released at around the same time as previous Apple Watch models. That's to say, Apple will likely announce the device sometime around mid-September. Usually, Apple's keynotes are on a Tuesday. Rumors indicate that Apple will hold an event on September 17th, and it may be where the new Apple Watch is launched. That said, rumors also indicate that there will be multiple events in September from Apple.